are at Skulls Gap. Let's see what's good. What's up to the family? Here we got the bikes in the back, but we are at Skulls Gap on White Top Mountain. If some of y'all know what I'm talking about, y'all know what I'm talking about. But this is a party spot for some of you folks. Some of you walk. We're gonna fucking ride today though. It's gonna be fun. Ratchet strap, hey, it's not a game, but it's fucking working, so. Boys, I wish I was lying, but state police just went up the road. I swear to God, I wish I got it on video. But on everything, state police just went up the road. If they come back, I'll turn the camera back on. We're getting riding in, boys. We'll have some fun. Yeah. Too smoky.
Alright, bro, we got everything?
Yeah, I got him. Just shake up this gas a little bit. Yes, sir. Backpack, boys. Gotta have your sequential somehow if you break down, you know? We want to smoke. I'm coming. You can go ahead. What? What happened?
I slid.
Did you crash?
Yeah.
You did? You slid out and crashed?
Yeah, dead ass. I should have went like this way.
I didn't even see that. I was trying to get unstuck out of all this mud and shit. Whoa, this looks rough. Oh, the J.
Here. You carry that shit. Bro, I slipped my finger open and I got shit all in that.
Oh, fuck. You good?
It hurts.
Is your gas on?
Yeah, I turned it off.
Smoke break. Damn, bro, you muddy as hell.
You go over there?
Yeah, we can go through there.
I'm just thinking smoke right here, bro.
Alright.
Bro, that's crazy. I was like, bro, don't slip. Whatever you do, don't slip.
And you slid right out?
Yeah.
I'm getting pretty alright grip. It's concerning me a little bit. Normally I don't get grip where the fuck. Hey, I don't know where that goes, but I took off up there. It's pretty cool. But I low-key want to go hit actual Skulls Gap.
I'm gonna let you go ahead and get back to the video. This is where we was riding a few days after, but it was just me on this trip. But yeah, I'll post that video soon, so you guys stay tuned. But Little did we know we could have just kept going and we would have ended up to a place called Iron Mountain Trail, and we could have went all the way to a place called Bear Tree or even a place called Damascus. But I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Go ahead and like and subscribe.
I told him to get a little head start on us. He might straight that. Both ways before you cross. Wait, you want to keep going the gravel way or you want to go this way? This way. You sure? This way. I was doing a wall ride looking out there like shit. Whoa! Oh, I was even looking ahead of me. Holy shit. All these trees down. Oh my god. This
Let our bike cool down a little bit. You did it. Yeah, right?
No, this is fucking terrible. I hate this.
You want to go back to the other road?
Is there a way to get there from this? Hell, we're already so far.
No, let's just go back up and go on the other road if you want. Let's just go on the other road. If you don't like this, then we can go on the other one. This is all right.
Bro, this is just awful.
You think it's too rough?
Yeah, I fucking hate this shit.
Okay. We'll go up to the other one. We'll go up to the highway. Are you okay, bro? Are you promised? I got your bike. No, don't worry about it. I got it.
Bro, I did not want the bike to go off the hill, so I was like, slide out.
I got it. Your bike's good. Are you okay?
Yeah,
Are you
I'm
okay?
straight. Yeah, I'm good.
Your leg's pretty fucked.
It's straight.
Are you promised you're okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Holy fuck.
Yeah, bro, I was like, I'm fucked. I cannot.
You was going really fast.
Yeah, I was like, I cannot keep going.
I got that on video.
Hell yeah.
Oh my God, Xavier. You promised you're okay, bro.
Yeah, bro, I'm good.
Your bike is fucking chill, bro.
That's good.
That's
as
what
long as the
two-strokes
bike's
is-
okay.
2 strokes are meant for.
Honestly,
but
I probably should wipe my leg off with something, but
do you, fuck. I mean, I might have something in my bag. Holy
I
shit.
knew that shit was gonna happen eventually.
Yeah. It happens,
It's
bro.
all good, bro. Let's get that shit up.
Yeah.
Gnarly.
I got it. I'm all the way crashed.
I'm gonna feel this shit in the morning, bro. Adrenaline's right here. I think adrenaline's wearing off. Hold up.
You want to sit down for a minute?
No, I do not want to sit down.
You want to keep riding?
Yeah, dude, not yet. Hold up.
All right, let's take a break, bro. Here, let's just sit our bikes to the side. You go find you a place to sit, dude.
Damn.
That could have been really fucking bad. Yeah. God was on your side.
Yeah, for real.
I mean, you crashed, but God was on your side. You can't lie about that shit. Damn, dude, you was in fucking. What gear was you in?
I don't know. I was flying.
Jesus, use like fifth gear, bro. I'm not even. You was use fifth fucking gear. Jesus. Oh God, Xavier. Fucking baller, dude. Dude. You're a fucking baller. Holy shit. Oh, wow. Oh. Yeah, that's not gonna feel good in the morning.
Dead ass.
Oh, bro. Do you, I can give you something.
Do you have like something to wipe it off with? I need to wipe it off.
I got some water and shit, yeah.
I need a towel.
You don't want to keep riding, but I mean, I really don't blame him, bro. I wouldn't want to keep riding after that either. A little bit of wall riding. What's that? Iron Mountain Trail. Oh, that's a single track too, boys. Look at that. Ooh. Every crash takes a little bit of confidence. What'd you say?
Try not to get shit in my leg.
Okay, my bad. He said try not to get shit in his leg. Because I probably loosened it a little bit when I was crashing. That's my fault.
That shit pisses me off. Yeah, you're right. This shit does piss me off. I really wanted to ride today. Dead ass. I wanted to ride so fucking bad today. Then I go and do this shit. I'm always fucking doing dumb shit. I had to fucking crash.
No, bro, I crash sometimes too.
Oh, bro. Oh, dude, bro.
That shit's a confidence eater, ain't it?
It's not even that. It's just the fact I really wanted to ride.
That
dude.
too, yeah.
Dead ass, I wanted to ride. I didn't even fucking care that I... It's that I fucking hurt myself. Like, if it would have just been like a small thing, alright, yeah, fuck it, I'm riding, you know what I
I'll
mean?
get a wheelie for you real quick, but
No, don't hold me.
yeah.
bit of fun. You gotta have a little bit of road time, you know?
Yeah, alright, I'll get that. Let's go.
Let's go.
Look how gorgeous. Hey, wait.